Welcome to our ultimate list of aviation giants. Today, we're diving into the top 16 biggest planes and aircraft ever built. You won't believe some of these incredible machines. Join us as we embark on an exploration of these colossal aeronautical wonders. Prepare to witness the sheer audacity of human invention. So, settle in and allow us to guide you through this remarkable gallery of aviation's most magnificent achievements. Our journey begins with a name synonymous with a particular niche of aerial mastery, Bombardier. Consider, if you will, the CRJ series, the Canadair regional jet. These aircraft represent a revolution in how vast territories are connected. Bombardier's vision was to create aircraft that could operate profitably on routes where larger jets would be uneconomical. The impact of these regional jets is profound, fostering economic growth and social connection across sprawling landscapes. The CRJ series, and Bombardier's subsequent innovations, demonstrate a mastery of this specific ecosystem. These aircraft have become ubiquitous, vital components in the complex circulatory system of modern air travel. Now, we venture into a realm where reality and audacious imagination converge, the concept of the nuclear-powered Sky Hotel. Picture a colossal vessel, a veritable airborne city, sustained aloft not for hours or days, but for months, even years. The vision is one of unparalleled luxury and continuous, uninterrupted travel. The nuclear-powered Sky Hotel remains a dream, a shimmering mirage on the horizon of possibility. The Northrop Flying Wing B-49, a radical design, seemed to fly out of science fiction. Emerging post World War II, it was a dramatic departure from conventional design. Jack Northrop envisioned aerodynamic purity for unparalleled efficiency. The B-49 program was curtailed by politics and budget constraints. The B-49 remains a testament to visionary thinking in aviation history. From the annals of audacious design, we now accelerate into the realm of extreme speed with the Lockheed SR-72. The SR-72 aims to push boundaries into an entirely new domain-sustained hypersonic flight. We are speaking of speeds exceeding Mach 6, 6 times the speed of sound. The SR-72 is conceived as an unmanned reconnaissance and strike platform. The legacy of the SR-71 Blackbird casts a long shadow, but the SR-72 promises to step out from it, not merely as a successor, but as a harbinger of a new age of ultra-fast flight. Behold the B-1 Lancer, a strategic bomber that embodies adaptability and enduring power. Its most striking feature is its variable sweep wings, a marvel of engineering that allows the Lancer to transform its aerodynamic profile in flight. Originally conceived as a high-altitude supersonic penetrator, the B-1's role has evolved significantly over its decades of service. The Lancer is a long-range platform, capable of carrying a substantial payload of both conventional and, historically, nuclear weapons across intercontinental distances. Even now, decades after its introduction, the B-1 Lancer continues to serve, a symbol of strategic reach and technological resilience. Drift back to the post, World War II Golden Age of Aviation, and marvel at the Boeing B-377 Stratocruiser, a statement of luxury and aspiration with its double-deck design and smooth, quiet ride. Powered by Pratt & Whitney engines, it remains a cherished aviation icon. Our exploration now takes us to a colossal vision for accessing space, the recoverable launch booster. The dream was to create systems that could return to Earth, reducing the price of reaching orbit. These early concepts took various forms. Many pioneering concepts never progressed beyond testing, but laid the groundwork for today's reusable rockets. The recoverable launch booster was a quiet prophecy of a more economical future for spaceflight. We now gaze upon a tantalizing prospect, a vision of future air travel on an almost unimaginable scale, the 900-passenger superjet. Imagine an aircraft capable of transporting nearly 1,000 souls in a single flight, a veritable village taking to the skies. The design challenges for such a behemoth are immense. concepts often feature innovative fuselage shapes, perhaps wider bodies, multiple decks, or even blended wing body designs. The dream of a 900-passenger superjet persists, a bold question mark in the future of aviation. Our journey now takes a fascinating turn, towards a hybrid creation that blends the majestic buoyancy of an airship with the aerodynamic lift of a conventional airplane, the tri-lobe hybrid airship. This is a sophisticated modern concept designed for efficient heavy-lift cargo transport with a significantly reduced environmental footprint. Hybrid airships aim to carry substantial payloads over long distances, using far less fuel than conventional cargo aircraft. The tri-lobe configuration offers structural advantages and stability, allowing for larger and more capable designs. The tri-lobe hybrid airship is a vision of a future where massive scale and ecological responsibility can, quite literally, float hand in hand. Meet the Airbus Beluga XL, a supertransporter designed to ferry oversized aircraft components. Named for its resemblance to the white Arctic whale, it features a bubble section and lowered cockpit. The Beluga XL is crucial for Airbus's efficient production of airliners. It's a vital cog in global aircraft production. Let us now consider a concept of such staggering proportions that it almost defies belief: the Boeing Pelican. Ultra-large transport aircraft. This was a proposed military cargo aircraft, a true supermassive titan designed during the early 2000s. The Pelican was designed as a ground effect vehicle, meaning it would primarily fly very low over the ocean surface. Its proposed wingspan was a colossal 500 feet, and it was intended to carry up to 1,400 tons of cargo. The sheer scale of the Pelican project makes it a legendary what-if in the annals of aviation. We now turn to a poignant moment in aviation history, marking the twilight of an era for a truly majestic class of aircraft, the penultimate flight of the Martin JRM Mars, specifically the Philippine Mars. These colossal amphibious aircraft once played vital roles in transport, and later, as aerial firefighters. The Philippine Mars, along with its sibling the Hawaii Mars, served for decades as water bombers. Their retirement marked the end of a chapter for these waterborne leviathans. Our gaze shifts to the future of presidential transport, where security, capability, and symbolism converge. Enter Hermeus, aiming to develop hypersonic aircraft, including a future Air Force One, the Flying Oval Office, capable of hypersonic speeds, Mach 5 or greater. Built on advanced turbine-based combined cycle engines, this concept highlights the relentless pursuit of speed in aerospace innovation. Behold, a machine of staggering dimensions, the Stratolaunch, nicknamed Rock after the mythical giant bird. This colossal aircraft serves as an airborne launch platform for spacebound rockets. With a wingspan exceeding a football field, it's the largest aircraft in the world. The Rock is a specialized tool designed to open new avenues for accessing space. We now turn our attention to a different kind of giant, one defined not by wingspan or passenger capacity, but by sheer lifting power and operational versatility, the Ericsson S-64 air crane. This is no ordinary helicopter, it is a flying crane, a purpose-built aerial heavy lifter. The air crane is a true strongman of the skies, capable of lifting and precisely placing loads of up to 20,000 pounds. Its primary missions include aerial firefighting, logging operations in challenging terrain, and heavy construction. The Ericsson air crane is a powerful demonstration that in aviation, might can come in many forms. Our final subject is perhaps the most mind-bending concept of them all, the Lockheed CL-1201, a nuclear-powered flying city. Conceived in the late 1960s, it was a design study for a gigantic transport aircraft. The CL-1201 was envisioned in several variants, including a troop transport and an airborne aircraft carrier. While it never left the drawing board, it remains one of the most audacious aircraft designs ever considered. And so, our journey through the realm of aviation's most colossal creations draws to a close. From the pragmatic workhorses that connect our world to the audacious dreams that stretch the limits of engineering, each of these 16 giants tells a unique story of human ambition and innovation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this list of aviation giants, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible content. See you in the next video. The story of aviation is far from over. It is a continuously unfolding narrative of progress and aspiration. The sky, it seems, will always beckon.